Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's create beautiful lamp at home using these shells. We're going to paste all of them on the balloon, pop out the balloon and make the stand now. Put all of them together, put the bulb inside and it's done. First we are going to cover the wire on the lace and put another fabric on the top of it. Cut it using this plastic cup. We are going to paste all of them inside and look, it's ready. Let's make beautiful flowers using tissue paper. So cut the flower, put the color like this and look, your flower is ready. Here we are going to twist it and make the petal of the flower like this. Now tie it, make more such petals, combine all of them one after another. Put a green stick and cover it using roller tape. You can also paste it using hot glue gun. Make a leaf and look, your flowers are ready. Take this crepe paper and fold it like this. We're making the petals of the flower. Twist it and look, it's ready. Similarly, make more such flower petals and put all of them on this green wire. Make more such flowers and look, it's ready. You can put it in a vase like this. We're going to make the flower petals using acrylic. Color it like this and look, your flower is ready. Paste both of them together and it's done. Twist this wire and give it a shape of petal. Now we are going to cover it using this net fabric. Tie it using a thread and look, your flower petal is ready. Make more such petals. You can twist the wire as well and look, your flowers are ready. Twist this crepe paper. You can take a tissue paper in place of this as well. Now we are going to make more such petals. Tie it using a thread and make more such colorful flowers, and these are perfect for home decoration. We are going to paste it on this green stick and make multiple cut by folding it using scissors. Now we are going to open it like this, and using this stick we are going to draw patterns on the top of it, and look, your leaf is ready. Fold the paper on this green stick and again fold it. Now we are going to cut it like this. Using this method you can draw and make more such leaves, and look, it's ready after cutting it and giving it shape from the sides. Open it like this and look, your beautiful leaf is ready, and look how real this is looking. You can also draw patterns using stick and it's done. We're going to make a shape like this. In place of this you can also take a sponge. Now put all the flower petals one after another and cover it. Now dab a green stick and put the leaves as well. Cover it using roller tape and look, your beautiful blue color of rose flowers are ready. Cut this crepe paper using earbuds. We are going to twist the paper like this. Make more such and combine all of them one after another like we're doing here. Using this strip of paper, roll it like this and look, it's ready. Finally, we are also placing some more leaves around it, and look, your artificial weed stalks are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.